Alright guys, welcome back. I'm going to do another challenge lock video. Okay, this one's kind of intriguing me. I'm not sure. It says do not turn 180 degrees. CC, whoever CC said that. Okay. Picked on video 9/16/19 and pinned by, I'm not sure if there was something else written on there, but on the back side or in the front side it says pinned by, and I can't tell. Anybody knows who that is, please leave a comment, let me know. I'm not quite sure what that says. The last word looks like it says pinning, but I don't know. I don't see any kind of identifying markers on the lock. Quick set keyway. Let's see here. It does kind of hang up a little bit, and I don't know if I can turn it 360 with the key in there, or if it's don't turn 360 without a key in there. But nonetheless, I'm gonna avoid doing it either way until I see what's in there. After I pick it, of course. Okay. Here's the bidding. There we go. Looks pretty fun. Okay, locker up here. I don't know what this LL. Anybody know what that stands for? Feel free to leave a comment. Kind of curious. I don't know if I've seen this type of lock before. Make sure I got my heavy bar here. Yeah, 50 thousandths. That's a big, wide open keyway. Alright, let's see what we can feel here. Oh, there's some heavy springs in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think. 5 pins. Alright. Top of the keyway. Sparrow's Tron to start. I'll zoom in for you. See if I can get you back in the centered here. Try and adjust that so I don't have too much glare for you. And see if my marker will work this time again. Sharpies, man, I always fail when you need them. Let's see if the other end is dead too. There we go. All right, starting in the back. Let's see, in 5, maybe 4. In 4, I think it is. Bound up. Ooh, big monster click. Lots of crunching. I'm just gonna keep pushing on that one to see what I get out of it. Same pin. Feels like I'm gonna stay there at that big click. Okay, got a little click out of 5. Okay, now I think I'm on, feels like 1. It's bound up. Counter rotation, big click, drop it into a spool. There's a couple of little click serrations on 2. A little deeper false set. Let's see. Ooh, big click out of 5, no change on the core. touched 3, I think, and it went a little deeper. Let's see here, what's left. Pin 1, counter rotation. And drop something, I think. 2 feels set. 3 kind of feels set too. 4 or 5. Big click out of that one again. Alright. Now I'm either overset on something, or I just don't have enough reach to get past everything. This is the Sparrow's Tron. I'm getting a little counter rotation off of 5, I believe. See if I can get the pick right on it. There it is. Just had to push it past. Alright, I'm not going to go any further than that. That was a lot of crunching and clicking, and I have a key, so I'm going to lock it back up so I can get this tail piece off. Let's see if I can do this time without whacking my knee. Get my vise out of the way. Alright, hold on, we'll go for a little bit of an adjustment on the camera here. Okay. I think I almost enjoy gutting locks just about as much as I like picking them. I've always been a tear it apart and see how it works kind of guy. Then when springs explode everywhere, then spend 3 days trying to put the shit back together. Okay. Key is in, unlocked again. I probably did that off camera, sorry. Ooh, careful. There's some sharp pins in there. Okay, feels like that's all the way to the back. And we got the right follower. Make sure I'm not going to dump all my key pins out. Push it straight through without twisting. Okay. So far, so good. Yeah, that key's like stuck in these pins here. See if I can get it out of there without dumping everything. Okay. Pin 1. Looks like it's got some serrations on it. Pin 2. Also a cut serration. Same on 3, same on 4, and pin 5 is standard. Alright. I'm going to start in the back here. Pull my shim out. Tweezer. Whoa, shooting out of there. This looks like a... This is actually, I think, the first steel ASA pin I've come across. Oh, and I'm dumping a spring out. Okay. Here. Hang on while I fumble this around. Come on. There we go. It's a nice little steel pin. Okay, pin number, oh, I got 2 pieces. Okay, I believe this looks like a little wafer for a master pinning set. It's on top. Okay, and then we got a T-pin with some pretty good tight little serration on the top, and I'm doing crap at lining this up, and okay, oh come on camera, come on, you can do it. You can't do it. Autofocus fail. Alright. T-pin. I would almost expect to see like a pin and pin with that type of T-pin on it, but okay, pin 3 is a, looks like a homemade type ASA pin. What, I'm just gonna zoom in and I'll focus on the pins here after I get them pulled out like I usually do. Okay, pin 1 is a deep cut spool. Pin 2 is another one of those steel ASA pins. Okay, it kind of felt like there might have been some massive springs in here, maybe double packed. Don't see the spring in 5, littler spring in 4. Pin 2 and 3 might have some interesting little springs here. Let's see. Keep casting my own shadow here and spring on a 2. Spring on a 1. Look like pretty normal little brass springs. Alright. Oh, they're pretty normal. Okay, and let's look at the core. Alright, come on. Just can't figure this focus thing out, can they? Alright. See, we've got undercutting on 2. And looks like some serrations, very fine serrated or threaded. Let's see what happens if I do it this way instead. There we go. That's a lot better. Look at those nice tight little threading and some undercutting on 5 there. Very nice. Average picker. That was a good challenging lock. I enjoyed that. So I would guess that the when you roll it around 360 degrees, if you didn't have the pin in there, this little wafer would probably shoot out into the bottom of the core here, and that little T-pin would snag up and you'd have kind of a mess. So that's the don't turn 180 degrees. Okay, here, I'll get this focused in on you. See if I can cover all the pins. Okay, pin 1. 2's got that nice little barrel or serration in it. And then this barrel ASA pin there on 2. And 3's got this here. Double serrated. That was that really chunky pin that I felt that one. Okay, and then there's this little T-pin. That's the little guy that I probably touched right at the end there that set it through. And then we got another steel ASA and a standard key pin here in 5. Very nice, very nice. Oh, I'm sorry, you know what, I said this was average picker, and I forgot. That was the last one I just did. This is the fella that I don't know who it is. Something Pinnings. So again, if you guys know who this is, let me know. Leave a comment. I'll make sure I'll tag him in the video so we can see his lock and see where it's made it. Appreciate you guys watching. Stay legal, and don't forget to respect the keyhole, or don't put your pick in it. Thanks, guys.